All right. The goal for today was getting Appa registered to actually get the van out on the road and drive around legally. We came to our local DMV. I had an appointment for 9:15 this morning, and when I got here for the appointment, I realized I left the paperwork at home. Son of a... So I had to drive back to the house, come back, go through the process without an appointment.
Slots?
We ended up being able to get everything taken care of, so the next step is going to be getting the van inspected. That shouldn't be too bad of a process. I'm hoping everything goes smoothly. I'm flying solo this morning. I think I'm gonna go grab some Paula's Donuts, which is a staple from Buffalo. I'll bring those home to Heather and I'll catch up with you a little bit later. Talk to you soon. All right, got the donuts. That was a huge fail. All right, this is them.
All right. Now that we've had our fix of donuts, we have to go get it registered, which to be honest, we're a little bit nervous about because New York has a lot more strict regulations than some of the other ones.
I think one of the things that they may look at that we may have to pull off is the driver's side and passenger side
Tinting.
It may be past what's legally allowable in New York State.
With our luck, we'll be out there scraping off all the tint in about 10 minutes, so hopefully that won't be the case.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
I don't want to jinx ourselves because obviously nothing so far has gone on our side with the whole logistics part of everything, like getting it registered, buying it, the title, but this is actually turning out to be a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
If your vehicle has some of the dark tinting on the windows, it may be something that you want to remove. It's actually not as difficult as it would seem. The first thing that you're going to need is some kind of heat source to apply to your window. If you have a heat gun, that's great. If not, a hairdryer works. The second thing you're gonna do is find an edge. Really, you just kind of want to warm that edge up and then start to peel it away and be able to work it down. It's really just a process of being kind of patient and going slowly in order to not leave the adhesive residue behind. If you do, it's really also not a big deal to clean up. If there was a step 3, it would be get a rag and some Gooby-On, spray it on there and just kind of wipe it off. But really a pretty simple, painless process that saved us $100, so we're super happy about it. Okay, so basically what you're doing with this is just trying to find an edge that you can start peeling from. And you'll see this one was actually pretty easy. We were able to just kind of find it and go from there. This one we had to roll the window down a little bit to get to it. We'll see if this is as simple as the first one.
I'll try to show you what it looks like, but it's raining, so bear with me. You can see the difference. Here it's still on and very dark. Here it's not. On, off. And you really can't see in it, which we actually liked because we are going to want it to be a camper, but unfortunately New York State doesn't like it, so off it has to go.
Kind of nice to save $100 on, I don't know, 15 minutes of work.
Yeah, so thanks for the tip, Dad, that if it does get flagged for inspection, all you gotta do is take it off yourself. Moment of truth.